Hi guys, it's a bit dark.
You're asking me, like I was.
That's my bitch.
No, that's so slack. Hi guys, we are in Portland. Now I'm so excited. First time coming to. I'm gonna try to put in a car back, you know. First time coming to Portland. I'm so excited. The pass through St. Mary, you know, some place I never roll out yet, and a bag of things. So we're gonna be here for the weekend. Today is Friday. We're going home on Sunday. So it's gonna be lit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna capture everything because we're gonna be so busy doing stuff. Wait, watch me here, guys. I'm not gonna lie, Portland far. We feel like a foreign me I go. Eh? We feel like a big connecting flight. No sir. The what delay? Me think couple flight well delay and sitting. Oh, my love the drapes. They're so cute. They would fit my room so well and stuff. But guys, I wash off myself in a Gideon and I'm so tired. It's like 10 o'clock at night now. We are driving 11? We are driving from 5 o'clock and we just reached 10 o'clock. Not even when me I go foreign. Anyways, that we are dealing with that now. So, you know, thank you for stopping by my channel. I'm not sure I'm gonna vlog after this, but if I do, gang, please remember to subscribe, you know, and share the video on Facebook. I'm not on Facebook. Share it on Twitter. Tag somebody, Instagram, Bluetooth, Real Time to Black.
Snap.
So yeah, share the video, leave a comment, and you know, big up on the damn self every time. Subscribe and have to subscribe.
Oh, yeah,
show the love, you know, leave a comment. I really want to hear from you. No, I'm serious. I really want to hear from you. And turn on the bell. There's a problem with the bell when I upload, when I not get it. So what I can do, when I upload and I get it done, tell you. What you have to do is like unsubscribe, then subscribe back, and turn on the bell. So, yeah, later guys. Maybe when I'm up on the beach, when I see my outfit them, maybe, because the body, and everybody can see it though. Two. Oh, my two black babies. Yeah, panda body. Anyways, later I'm done talk. So guys, we just woke up. Not really just woke up. Maybe just not too long wake up. We had breakfast. It was really good. And stuff. Now I'm in my Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans. Show you the outfit of the day. Too sexy. Sorry. Too sexy. I can't show you. Yeah, I'm so extra. So we're going on. Oh, we're going to make a reach falls. We don't know where we are reach. But I don't have much time on the camera to vlog. So just maybe I get some clips when I'm doing some activities. I'll talk to you. Tamika, say hi to the vlog. Oh, may have them. Hey guys, we just did the boat ride. It was really lit. So we recommend you come to Somerset Falls.
Why?
Somerset Falls. Down at Portland.
One gym and a fling stone by your back.
We went under the falls. Yeah, tell you. Terrible. One bird king?
No, fish thing.
Oh.
To catch fish.
Yeah, so we are gonna go to the pool now and maybe go in a slide.
Wakanda.
I'm all over my suit. Wakanda forever.
Wakanda.
I will say Wakanda.
Wakanda.
Yeah. And thing, this glasses is so lit. Versace.
Yeah.
So we are going to the pool now. We're not gonna have much time for vlog. But you know, subscribe, show the love same way. I love you guys. And stuff. So yeah, better. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're now at Winifred Beach in Portland. Very late, very beautiful. We went to Somerset Falls this morning and mash up my ear, but I'm coming back. Why you guys say something?
Oh, sorry, come here, talk.
Yeah.
You.
We went to come on my try and show me view. The view though. The view though. The air quality here is so good. Like my sinus but I'm like Montego Bay. I could have moved come up here. But
Yeah, it's true.
I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. Look over this. Everywhere you go be a beach and bathing. We leave tomorrow. I don't think I'll be vlogging because my phone I don't have no much space. So this is basically where I end the vlog. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up.
Skylife.
You don't know, hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. I really want to hear from you, and you know, thank you guys. Great experiences. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn on the camera. I could get a view. I could take in this. Good morning. I'm gonna do a little snippet of us in the water and stuff. So keep tuned. Guys, so this is what my Sunday morning looks like, you know? Light in the right, Tamika. Could you say to me? Watch it. Better. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Sorry. But the lighting not go better than this. On the I would do the offer of the day, but let's buy it out. Yes, so guys, we're gonna leave today, but we're spending some time at the beach. We're gonna head off to Kingston. Round trip. We're gonna head off to Kingston, then back to Montego Bay. And yeah, we have work tomorrow. I'm not sitting by you. Oh, so frightened. You ever watch Anaconda when you stop this on for the people then back? Like one club. Me. So, yeah. Okay. I'm taking back there. Yeah, that's what this is. You can't drop the jump. Feel saltwater gun na eh. I can say, you know, Jamaica is so beautiful. This is one of the things that I told myself that I will do. Enjoy Jamaica. You know that salt though? Why not that salt? Yeah guys, so guess what? This is where I officially end the vlog for real this time. Thanks for stopping by my channel. You know, thumbs up, subscription, bell. That's all I need to know. Thumbs up, subscription, bell, comment. So, bye.